This is the installation guide. My name is Tim, and I'll walk you through the steps in getting Giftship integrated into your store. First, we're going to want to duplicate the theme that you want to install Giftship on. So we'll go to Actions, Duplicate, and then we'll rename this theme and save it. We do this because we want to make sure that everything is installed properly, that we have a chance to try out Giftship before publishing it live. So we'll go ahead and complete the renaming there. Next, we're going to make our changes to the cart.liquid file. So we're going to choose that duplicated theme, and then we're going to select Edit Code. Oftentimes your cart file, the majority of the code can be found in your file called cart templates in your sections folder. In this case, it is in cart.liquid and it is in our templates folder. So we're going to open that up. And then the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make changes to our cart items loop. So we're going to copy these classes and data variants, and we're going to want to find the top element beneath for item in cart items. And then we want to plug that in there. So we're going to get everything sorted out nicely here. All of our code lined up into that top. And once we find this top level element, we don't have to close this loop because there's already a div closing it. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make changes to our item properties loop. Oftentimes we can select our fully realized string of code here and just simply plug it in. If you do have customizations to this loop, then you'll need to add in the top and bottom divs around the loop. Next, we're going to put in the Giftship buttons. So you're going to want to find the proper place to put this in your cart. Oftentimes, this can be just after your remove items link. But in this case, we're going to put it in right after the item properties loop. So that's going to be the best place for those buttons to render on the cart page. And then we would just want to make sure that we add in our classes around the additional checkout buttons. Oftentimes, this is already done in the cart. In this circumstance, it is. But if it isn't, then we're going to want to wrap it accordingly based on the instructions. Next, we're just going to go ahead and save that. So we've made all the changes that we need to our cart.liquid file. And then we can move on to previewing how it looks on the cart page. So we'll want to find that theme that we just made the edits to. We'll want to hit Actions and then Preview. And then we can go ahead and add an item to the cart and take a look at how Giftship looks on the cart page. So we'll just go ahead and get this gift basket added to the cart. And then we can see our item there. And then we can see our ship to multiple addresses toggle, our add message and delivery date. When we hit the ship to multiple addresses, we see the set address and ship another functions come up. We'll just type in a message here and press submit to see how it renders on the cart page. So the data is put in there really nice so that your customer always knows what's going on. Same thing with the delivery date there, and same thing would happen if we set the address. So Giftship has really become an ecosystem of features over the last few months, and therefore it's really important to turn on or off and customize the app the way you want it. So you can get into the app by going to the app section in your dashboard and then selecting Giftship. So we can see here there's some new functions as well, including a really cool sort orders by delivery date function in the upcoming orders section there. But to control the base settings, we'll go into Edit Settings. And you can see here that we have all sorts of options, from basic settings to setting upsells, etc. So we have our discount codes enabled there. We have ship to multiple addresses enabled with our ship another button toggled on. We have the default checkout set up which is the most popular way to do it. We don't have a one-click upsell, but if we wanted to turn that on, we'd simply toggle on that button. We have our gift message enabled there, and we have our date picker enabled. And a new feature that we just brought in is the ability to disable specific dates from the date picker. For instance, if we wanted to inhibit December 24th, December 25th, and December 26th from being selected, we would just set those up there. And then once we're all done, we'll go ahead and save our settings there. So everything will be done. So that's it. And if you need any help, please get in touch for a free installation.